लाला ये दोनों चीज साथ में करना।
You personally believe in
किसी भी कड़वाहट के बगैर इस पूरी जर्नी को पूरा करना और वहां पर टिके रहना ही सबसे बड़ा मंत्र है। मांगिया था भरता, ओहो, I loved it.
I can see that smile on your face कि आपको जब वो याद आ रहा है.
He became a savior to my life.
Oh, great. Great. हाय नमस्ते, मैं हूं पुष्कर यावल का प्रोड्यूसर एंड बिजनेस हेड लोकशाही ग्रुप। आज का वीडियो लोक लाइफ पे काफी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है, लेकिन उससे पहले मैं माफी मांगना चाहूंगा हमारे सारे मराठी दर्शकों से, क्योंकि आज का वीडियो मराठी में नहीं बल्कि हिंदी में होगा। लेकिन आई प्रॉमिस ये वीडियो इतना इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है क्योंकि हमारे गेस्ट ही है उतने इंटरेस्टिंग। आजकल उनके चर्चे हर गली हर नुक्कड़ पे हमें सुनने मिल रहे हैं। जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ एक ऐसे शख्सियत की जिन्होंने हाल ही में परफॉर्मेंस दिया है हर्षद मेहता के रोल में स्कैम 1992 ये वेब सीरीज में सोनी लिव पे। मैं वेलकम करता हूँ लोक लाइफ पे प्रतीक जी का। प्रतीक जी नमस्ते।
जी थैंक यू वेरी मच। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सभी का कि इतना प्यार दिया, और खास करके पुष्कर जी आपका कि आप मुझे लोगों के साथ जोड़ने में मदद कर रहे हैं। So thank you very much.
Thank you for being on Lok Live. शुरू करते हैं हम इंटरव्यू के साथ। My first question to you, Pratik ji, is now it's like a overnight success for you. Like before Scam 1992, you were known in the Gujarati cinema, and certain cinemas you did, certain content was produced is for you. But after Scam 1992, how you look yourself as a person? How is Pratik Gandhi in person for you?
Oh, after Scam 1992, I'm still the same guy. I have not. I don't think I've changed personally. The only thing is that these days I'm spending too much time on my phone answering people's message and their calls and taking their blessings and appreciation. So yeah, which is making which is even making me more humble.
Yeah, great. So that's what is there. So humbleness should be maintained. That's you suggest with every star. Where these days you see that even with people who get fame over digital, be it TikTok stars, that's what the use controversy came across. So that's really great. You're maintaining that thing. My next question to you is: we know that your family, you come from an educator's background. Most of the people in your family are teachers, and you yourself are an engineer. So, what made you realize to identify your passion towards acting, and how you ended up in the film industry?
So I guess I was introduced to theater at a very early age in my school time itself. So early days of school, when I was in third, fourth standard, I got introduced to theater. I started playing different characters on stage. I started participating on elocution competitions, those fancy dress competitions and dance competitions and all. So I always felt stage a very comfortable place for me to be in and to perform. So I don't remember any one such incident or one day where I decided to be an actor, but I had it had almost become my second personality, a part of my personality. So, and obviously engineering also happened with a lot of passion. After 12th science, I went to diploma mechanical engineering. Then I did 1 year of job in my hometown Surat, and then when I wanted to do degree in industrial engineering or production engineering, I went to Jalgaon, Dhule. Dhule is where I did my graduation for 3 years.
Great.
And then in 2004 with engineering degree and a little bit of experience of theater, I landed up in Bombay and started working in both fields simultaneously.
Great. So there was no moment of truth for yourself that this is like what you say as a Harshad Mehta character, Lala yahi apne ko karna hai karke. So that was not for you. It came to you.
Moment of truth, तो वो ऐसा था. Yeah, for acting it just came to me as a part of my personality or my upbringing. But moment of truth वाला जो अगर scene है तो वो मेरी life में ऐसा था कि when I came to Bombay, I decided that लाला ये दोनों चीज साथ में करनी है. So engineering and acting ये दोनों साथ में सवारी की मैंने दोनों घोड़ों पे, और वो भी 2004 से लेके 2016 तक। तो 12 साल मैंने दोनों चीजें साथ में की, उसका भी मजा आ गया।
Great, great, great. So now there is question for this is from youngsters. How do you turn your passion into profession? Like lucky are those who get this chance in their life where their passion is earning them the bread and butter. So how is it? What's the message you would like to give to youngsters of these days that passion is what?
I say, yeah. So I think if you want to pursue a passion and convert it into a profession, also, the only thing is to be around, stick around, and keep doing it. Keep practicing it, because there is a point where it will get converted without you even knowing about it. But yeah, there is no substitute for hard work. There is no substitute for hard work. So I mean, you and nobody, we should never blame the surroundings. We should never blame the world. We should never blame the industry, because nobody has said the world is going to be the absolutely perfect place to be in. We have to create our own space. We have to find our own way without being bitter. किसी भी कड़वाहट के बगैर इस पूरी जर्नी को पूरा करना और वहां पर टिके रहना ही सबसे बड़ा मंत्र है, जो मैंने भी कर करके ही सीखा है. So I guess that is what can make you stand there in your place.
That's really nice you giving this message out. Okay, we will come down now. Why you chose Jalgaon for your engineering?
Okay, so see, Gujarat had that when I was in engineering college, Gujarat had this particular thing that D2D, diploma to degree. Only first two rankers of the whole state will get admission from diploma to degree. So even after scoring around 87%, I was not amongst first two in diploma engineering. So I could not do any graduation there in Gujarat. There was no scope for me. So then I worked as a sales executive for 1 year. And then I thought that this is not it. This is not what I want to do. I wanted to pursue engineering, degree engineering course. And then one of my friends was studying there in Dhule.
Uh-huh.
So then I spoke to him. He said that there is a college and they might consider you because my marks, I had scored a good percentage there in diploma. And then I spoke to the principal there, and that's how I landed up there.
Okay.
Oh, Nawal Nagar. So, my college was there in Nawal Nagar, Dhule. Yeah, Nawal Nagar. If you aware about, yeah.
Oh, Dhule and Jalgaon is thoda distant place. I've not been to Dhule much.
थोड़ा distance है, but हमारी university Jalgaon University बोली जाती थी.
हाँ, North Maharashtra, if I'm not wrong, NMU.
North Maharashtra, NMU. Yes, NMU.
Have you tried like food in Jalgaon? आपका experience कैसा
था? Okay, so I am coming from South Gujarat. अरे I am coming from South Gujarat. South Gujarat में ज्यादातर हरी मिर्च इस्तेमाल होती है खाने में, और जलगांव धुले ये पूरा बेल्ट ऐसा है जहाँ पर लाल मिर्च इस्तेमाल होती है खाने में. तो शुरू में तो बहुत तीखा लगता था यार, मैं खा ही नहीं पाता था खाना. मेरे लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट था वो, पर धीरे धीरे फिर उसकी भी आदत लग गई. और गर्मियों में सबसे ज्यादा मजा ये आता था जलगांव धुले में, एक तो एक्सट्रीम गर्मी थी. और वहाँ जो उसाचा रस वाज द सेवियर मैन. वो जो गन्ने का रस हम पीते थे, वो जंबो ग्लास इतना बड़ा, तब तो वो 8 रुपए का होता था, और तब लगता था कि यार रोज 8 रुपए खर्चा करना, मतलब देखते हैं यार. तो हर अल्टरनेट डे आज इसकी ट्रीट, कल उसकी ट्रीट, वैसे करते करते वो गर्मियों का टाइम निकालते थे.
और इसके अलावा और कोई इंसिडेंट इंजीनियरिंग? सो व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग दिस इज लाइक इंडियंस आर कंसिडर्ड टू बी जुगाड़ू. उसमें इंजीनियरिंग के स्टूडेंट्स आर लाइक द नेक्स्ट लेवल ऑफ जुगाड़ूस. ठीक है. तो आप में ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट था दोस्तों में? हॉस्टल लाइफ, इंजीनियरिंग लाइफ आपका एक्टिव रहा है? तो
इंजीनियरिंग का एग्जाम्स जो थे ना, वो या तो गर्मियों में होते थे, पीक समर में, या तो दिवाली के आसपास होता था. मतलब एकदम दिवाली की दूसरे तीसरे दिन से इंजीनियरिंग की एग्जाम चालू होती थी. तो एकदम ठंड का माहौल. और जलगांव धुले वाला जो पूरा ज्योग्राफिकल बेल्ट है, वहां पर दोनों एक्सट्रीम होते हैं, ठंड भी उतनी, गर्मी भी उतनी. और ऐसे माहौल में एग्जाम के लिए वहां रुकना, वहां देना, मतलब वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता था और बहुत मजा भी आता था. मैंने बहुत सारे बच्चों को देखा था कि यार लास्ट के 2 पेपर तो ड्रॉप आउट करके निकल जाते थे, खास करके गर्मियों में, कि सहन नहीं हो रहा है यार, बस अब नहीं, लास्ट का 1 पेपर ड्रॉप. मुझे याद है एक बार तो ऐसा हुआ था, इतनी गर्मी थी, तीखा खाना और मेरी हालत खराब, मुझे पूरे मुंह में छाले पड़ गए थे. 4 दिन तक तो मैं कुछ खा ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ, माउथ हर्सल, कुछ नहीं खा पा रहा
Oh
हूँ.
my God.
एंड अ वेरी स्वीट
Oh my
महाराष्ट्रियन
God.
फैमिली, दे वर स्टेइंग देयर, नजदीक बाजू में ही रहते थे. तो एक दिन वो
हाँ.
अंकल आए, उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा कि यार खाना वाना खा गया, हो गया, एग्जाम्स हो गए. मैंने बोला नहीं, मुंह में छाले पड़े तो खा तो नहीं पा रहा हूँ, एग्जाम्स तो चल रहे हैं. वो मुझे अपने साथ अपने घर ले गए, उन्होंने ठंडा दूध और रोटी खिलाई, और जो अंदर से
हाँ.
आशीर्वाद निकले हैं मेरे मन से कि यार मतलब ही बिकेम अ सेवियर टू माई लाइफ.
Oh, great.
तब तो एसटीडी पीसी होता था ना, तो रोज शाम को वो एसटीडी पीसी वाले के घर वहां लाइन लगाना, घर पे फोन करने के लिए, सब अपने अपने. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लाइफ थी यार.
Great. I can see that smile on your face कि आपको जब वो याद आ रहा है. And that thing is
ओ माय
coming.
गॉड, आई एम रीलिविंग दिस एंटायर, वो तो पूरा मोमेंट एकदम खड़ा हो गया सामने.
Great. So, I see that you have a great experience here in Jalgaon. That's really nice of you. I would like to ask now about the character you portrayed of Harshad Mehta. Like, would you consider being Harshad Mehta yourself in actual life?
Oh no. I don't think I can I can ever be like him, or yeah, but there are certain qualities that I really loved about him. Is what his passion, his relentless attitude towards making it in the mainstream, making his place. He was a dreamer and an achiever also. But beyond a point, when you cannot control your dreams, you cannot control your wants, it gets converted into greed, and that kills you. Is what happened with him.
Great. Right. So, another question the to you while portraying this character, there is a motivation within the actor. Either it
So
was your cast support or it was your directors which was bringing out on from you. How was it?
So see, first and foremost, the character itself is so interesting for me. It is so layered. It's a complex human, and to portray such character in the most humanized way, I guess any actor would want to do this. And that too, when you get to work with somebody like Hansal Mehta, who is a genius magician in terms of biographies, whatever that he's done, be it Shahid or be it Omerta or whatever that he's done, till now, he has an interesting insight towards any such characters that he wants to portray. So that is absolutely a big plus point for me. And as you correctly said, these all the actors with me in this series, they were all very supportive, and they very encouraging also. In fact, I worked with most of the senior actors, in the industry, like Rajat Kapoor hai, Anant Madhavan ji hai, KK Rana hai. They are very senior. But हमारे जितने भी सीन साथ में थे, the way they encourage, the way they give you space, so it's a very interesting thing. I mean, it's a good experience for me.
So we'll start with quick rapid fire round. Since you were in Jalgaon, I'm sure you must have tried Khandeshi food. ठीक है. So I'd like to ask शेव भाजी या वांग्याचं भरीत. That's what बैंगन का भरता is. So do you remember tasting and how was it? Like for you?
Both these dishes. These are both my favorite dishes. And there are a lot of roadside or highway side the dhabas and restaurants where I used to go for it.
Uh-huh.
So
Next
shev
is
bhaji and wangyacha bharta. Oh, I loved it.
great. So we Khandeshis are proud of वांग्याचं भरीत. We say बैंगन का भरता. So being a Gujarati, ढोकला or खांडवी?
Dhokla.
If not acting, would you pick up entrepreneurship or engineering?
Entrepreneurship in the engineering field, actually.
That's like a Guju mind. While filming Scam 1992, who was your favorite person to spend time with?
Hansal Mehta, the director.
Dream actor you want to work with?
Mr. Bachchan.
Okay. Favorite genre to watch?
Favorite genre to watch? I watch everything, actually.
And favorite genre to act in?
Oh, anything that challenges me.
Great. And you have given a lot of challenging roles across till date. Okay, this rapid fire, we end with this. I like to ask one concluding question for this interview is, Pratik ji, I want to know what you personally believe in and that life-changing message for our viewers. So, like one could pursue their dream or achieve their goal in their life towards success.
So I think the biggest thing which works for me also, or which I personally believe in, is that simplicity is the key. Keep it absolutely simple.
Okay.
The more you, the more you keep it simple, you can achieve more.
Mm-hmm. All right.
So be it in your approach, be with everything, just keep it simple.
Okay. Yeah. Pratik, thank you so much for being here. I am so honored. So it was a pleasure having you and talking to you.
Thank
That
you
half
very
an
much.
hour just made my complete month. There is very less things to celebrate in this year. There is one thing I am celebrating is talking with you.
Oh, that's really sweet of you. Thank you. Thank you, Pushkarji. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pratikji. Thank you for being on Lok Live. Dhanyavad. Thank you.
Dhanyavad. Thank you.